So you're chopping an onion for dinner and suddenly you're sobbing, like you just watched a sad movie. What's actually happening here? Turns out it's one of the coolest little chemistry experiments you'll ever run in your kitchen.
Here's the thing. Onions didn't grow up wanting to end up in your stir fry. They evolved this whole chemical defense system to stop animals from eating them. So when you slice into one, you're basically setting off a tiny booby trap the plant spent millions of years perfecting.
Okay, so inside an intact onion, you've got two key players living in totally separate neighborhoods. On one side, these sulfur-rich amino acids just chilling in the cell fluid. On the other side, an enzyme called alliinase, locked up in little storage compartments called vacuoles. As long as they don't meet, nothing happens.
But then, here comes your knife. You cut through thousands of cells at once, and their walls burst open. Suddenly, those two chemicals that were never supposed to meet are mixing together, and the reaction kicks off immediately. First up, the alliinase enzyme grabs onto those sulfur amino acids and chops them up into something called sulfenic acid. This is basically an unstable middle step, like a half-baked cookie. It wants to become something else fast. Then a second enzyme jumps in, lacrimatory factor synthase, or LFS. It takes that sulfonic acid and rearranges it into syn-propanethyl S-oxide. Fancy name, simple job. It's a volatile gas that evaporates straight up out of the cutting board and heads for your face. The gas drifts up and hits your cornea, where these little sensors called TRPA1 receptors are waiting. Their whole job is to scream danger when something irritating shows up. Your brain gets the signal and floods your eyes with tears to wash the invader out. That's literally all crying is, a rinse cycle. And this whole chain reaction is shockingly fast. From the moment your knife breaks the skin, the gas reaches your eyes and triggers tears in roughly 30 seconds. Your pain receptors can detect this stuff at parts per billion levels, which is wild. So now that we get the chemistry, we can actually beat it. Chill your onion first. Cold slows the enzymes way down. Use a sharp knife so you're slicing cells cleanly instead of smashing them open. And cutting your running water helps trap the gas before it floats up to your face. So next time you're crying over a cutting board, remember, you're not being dramatic, you're experiencing a defense mechanism that a plant has been perfecting for 20 million years. Honestly, kind of an honor.